Isaisia ni usonu wa kwithwana itu thini wa kilukecha Uiiti na yuni utho chatu endeye mwetumini kilungu kila kitialite na daktari yanambisia kuweta yulu wa maundu ma ndawa cia kuola weight kana uito waku wa mwi. Daktari usenela ko.
Asante. Ben kusioka ingi oni na ni tete na weta na tawo tamo nolongi kana kino cha reduce cha kuola weight. Kuya reduce eating the amount and the frequency. Whether it is more the kilometer na kaza pe munduli kana either onine the lunch.
Kwa kaniba nisi.
Ningo baitupa. That is not good. Ningo bakwedeva. That's not good. Yeah, mbona na that's okay. You wale kuya edwanu wanzana wa utena bina nundu nduita. Wale kuya mbona wanza na nduna bina nundu nduite. That's not wale kuya at that time. Lakini tiko sai dia kila bina kila ndima samo za last mode with last mode. Na muno au mene madina. Nundu sai dia mundu mene with malatu moza na tele monolonge. Na zila pandu banke ala kasama na bikamusi.
Moya.
No rapina with ba. Mundu mena kwa no boni ekana nake nundu na ni laisi kuja keli kana kuja ingi kutekwa za waza banundu watuma welete club mwende pe kwa tena ku au mene nizo kutima mengi ni mongala wait nundu ni uize akomana no mengi aya kasama bandu na mana na taome na abi kamusi last maja na yu au menundu sangi ndenda kuza ailete aiya na no boni na hicho kitimi we mundu ume bwana wazaba isa autiality pakuthi mine ya manundu wa mina nukuno na emboka la zakala mwana without na mwingi bro buwe sai uzuko dawa ku ya wale munzi angombe wa wulu wa na wede kenene
na be we saba
that exactly because you mundu wa theni na we ogele weight nundu wa that problem na when innocent it's no problem at all ku tikijambe reduce koya na onawasia la leuka nini duka na baby eating not baby fat.
We eat for two.
Not eat for two, eat for one. Yeah, the milk, the system that produce milk is a bit different. Na leula weight, it has no connection at all. There's no connection at all. Now, penda wasa reduce weight. Na mundulo kuna to reduce weight, we need to musaitia no ndo kuseza ni watatie leu wama. Na dawa reduce weight pe to ndawa methembe tatu mainly. Pe appetite reducer ngetha leu waku ni wa reduce wa pio appetite yaku appetite. Pe mundu taite etha appetite tha nyingi muno ta wa elephant appetite ni nene muno ataite na ndai wanza lakini appetite zipo ona bina na ndai wanza lakini appetite zipo ta tayu weza there you andu ona kipindi kiki ende nimeenda kuya ona megule kala le ndete okay na makona makweta kuya na nima za kumna na ile na sayu saide tatu nimeenda kuya ingi that's not very good cha kindola kingine kana pela tumeta thermogenic ina aza isu ipipa za mauta penda wao bibi mauta tukaone kwa pia mauta mwene kwako juke zeta unenga ndawa ya reduce appetite ndo za na ndo ndakoza na ndawa ngi za kupibia mauta na penda wende ngi tukunenga ita fiber terms ikezeta ni athambia mwe wako izia ni athambia leu izia uyekala mwene kwako muno pia ndo mekala ama tukwele atatu mari uthicho na yu mwe kala mwe leu kala mwe kwako is not very good izia with chopa kramana that's very good kunta witatu na appetite reducer ya reduce weight na pela da thermogenic enhancer ikapipia mautala mwene kwako na pela ngi ndio za kumya mwe kwa liu kala mwene kwako na pela ngi za kusida ni kala within and that's very important na hizo ni ndawa cha natural supplements those are supplements na kila kingine kiluma ndo kiluma ni kikanesa aloe vera kwa reduce weight. Those are the very important na you nichokutumi asesa metu embona they know wa weight. Tukunenga ndawo isunundu pe dawa sorry pe dawa tukunenga hapa ndo pa 9 days. Itawa C9 that is clean 9 that one it cleans your body tukanenga isusi onde kadha mwe waku ati kunenga ndino to meet F15 fit 15 you become as fit as somebody who is 15 years now you take for 15 days fit 15 na the total tukunenga ndawa ya matuku kenda na waminezu tikunenga ndawa ya matuku 15 asini matuku 24 matuku asu miongole na maidela you must reduce more than 10 kilograms wate ya nesa na muno the market is mainly in women men have no problem but I've seen men who are very good actually na tananga mundu na we not use that weight na wate ya our program you don't increase the weight again lakini maana muno ila wina this weight management program with with a program ila ya kuya pe tu with a program ya with sasia nata na leula ukuyende we are na in that program with andu kita kuya end time so by matuku miongole na maidela with our one developing a new method of eating nondo to change an habit you need 22 days onedhani habit deba 22 days ukala kwambia practice kindu panpa 22 days it becomes natural for you go 24 days we mean that 24 without developing another new system of eating remember intermittent fasting na tuwaka tukumana these new types of eating you become totally different person after those 24 days you look and feel 20 years young. You look and feel 20 years young, if not 30. So it's a program which has worked for more. If by Mondwa failed that program, that program, no, you look and feel. In fact, people ask, what happened? You look young and you start becoming active. Remember, if you are 50 years and you look and feel like 30 years. If you are 60 years, you look and you feel like 40. That's a major reduction. Na joke to me, for people adola matatete na makama is good to try this one. Onala natural, onether when a weight less than 70 kilograms, it's good to try this method because it also reduces the chances of getting the disease. Once you get this in this program, the weight management, now wateya nondo edwa that program after 1 month na we say that unugo use more we give you either upres reduce alone kana tamojene genanza with the burn the fat alone kana da way at least you continue with the reduction of weight na isu nizo zelanzio to prevent kwisi ya ndukakoto ni diabetes kana hypertension na more so andolame na diabetes na hypertension na more so edwa unyitawa makomwe na this I've used to most of the patients ebonyo ndawa makomwe ani na onenga program eno anwa miatia nesa religiously you can get out of the drugs na nando inge muno alame na diabetes na hypertension ni the program eno mongo bazo ndawa I mean stop for good now it is ni program ileta utede mwingi nundu mbeni wako ndawa chakele mwe wako kanesa nundu mowano tita diabetes na hypertension ni kuya ni obesity ni diet ni nutrition once we correct all that your body goes back to normal and that is of course there's a bit of cost involved in it but that cost is not equal to the wasu uyanene na mowola utona kuka nundu diabetes oneka mowo kuwa we light you can jump, you can do this, you can feel young, that's even better. And then you start looking young and young and young and that makes a very big difference. Na joke to me, eka kuya na kulea na kutea leu, there is also drugs you can take. Lakini dia device ya ndo matumie ilanda wasi amosi. Ila si Masai, nini si Masai. I talk about that nundu nonde ando inge madotiete nundu ojanda wesu they can reduce weight. Ningulika there are some two ladies in fact they died they left us both of them. Nundu ni they were a bit big. Na mane wana manywa seriously nanga tamado. In fact I had to do the postmortem like what happened. Na what happened tamado da nangi to ninda wanundu inda wala sama sini ni kuma lakini the dosage na ikithimo ukita unywa glass
Ugaibwe.
ebwe no ne wakatoma na baika thimo
5 liters
5 liters now we nywa no reduce weight don't try because I've seen now even it has been said several times nekana dukanywe ndawa ila cia mete insi pia ndumendete mete up to this time mete athukumatene of course they work lakini now the problem that nondo ni thukuma na cie chemicals lakini chemicals tindime ikamanika indi mwi wile utumia ciana and that's njo kitimona andu ingi ila matumia ndawa cia mete muno na matumia mete yakethekane muno mathi hospitali mayita makaboa nundu ndawa isu kana mete isu ithwala nangie mwi waku pyo yeah
na yukuni kwasa kana mundu akaendea na unya ndawa isi amete
for the supplement yes
ila mundu wanya ndawa cia mete muno wasa athi hospitali nutonya kwi aitwa kethia nde uboa
exactly
ni kumanisha yu asio kamiti nino ya muita ndawa isi cia mete ni sitonya mubosia
ayuka hospitali mete ithwala mie ithwala pikie mwizo na hicho kitimi dawa ila unywa ndawa muno tadwa mena diabetes kana hypertension manywa ndawa mitatu kana tatu kanena moka makathima thakame makathima pressure yende yata makathima diabetes yende yata kana kama indawa ithukumita ata nundu ndawa ningi ciana kaitema yana ngambio ndawa cionthe all the drugs ciana kaitema yana ngambio na hicho kitimi andu ingi me on dialysis umundi nundu either matumie ndawa kilungia saa kana matumia mbiti kilungia saa na ciana ngambio kana ciana ngaitema na hicho kitimi ona witumia ndawa kana ona ndala matumia the simplest thing ni ala matumia family mundu atumia family no lazima athi hospitali after some time athimwe blood pressure yende ata athimwe aende ata athimwe nekana musithan nundu ndawa yonde ni ndawa kinu chonde uisa na kanyo wako kisise nesa chonde uisa na kanyo chako either ni leu umane na likana kana leu no lazima utape week winenge there is no question that mundungi leu niwe mwene winenge the leu nundu paile wiki wa mweki bane kana wiki wa pa ukautocha utemu woti tipo we like go the obesity is your own responsibility ti responsibility ya mweme kana ya mukau nundu anonge maja ke peticho kinenga leu kana mweme wako niwe wanda leu kana na ciana ciaku invest ta ibeti it's good to make sure that nundu indi ciana although ciana ni ciana ikabenduka lakini teach them when they are young diet na wizeni mama na makama na ti lazima maketa cha chips kila mmoja na chapati kila mmoja na no sio matukwele kana tu kwa chuma makaisa isio kidhari isio itenda mauta na itenda nama wizi ando ingi maenda me isio maiki na mauta maiki nama isio tena mauta those are the right food isio sikito muno woka muno munini woka na kidhoi choka that's good food lakini weke mauta ni weke nama ni weke sukuma ni weke that's na ngange na kitungu that's spoiling the normal food na wale you'll have health na wale nesa you postpone the disease you can postpone it for one month or you can postpone for 1 year or 10 years you can postpone the disease can come to you after 120 years after you are dead that's okay yeah because the disease will come and ni ya mundu ebawe na diabetes yo mundi kedha wa postponing diabetes for 10 years you live at another 10 years with the disease that's a good trial netho na diabetes na niwa diet nesa na wa akotumia ndawa na waambia kuwa nesa that makes a big difference in terms of kunyandawa and even the cost of buying the drugs and the other complications of disease so diet is a major thing and weight and obesity is a disease yes
na ndito ya muthia kwa musese nuru masai mathela
all right kwa ndito ya muthia kwa makwala matetha mena itukuma tuyambia kwa mazina ya Dr. Geoffrey Mutuma numere from Zambezi Hospital na la menda kwa la weight kana menda manage weight no matwane na wenda kutuona hospitali ituzi in South Sea ta Zambezi Hospital na namba ya kwa ni 0722 801 299 noti mwanza ile na noti mwe ile kenda na lenge ya Airtel ni 0734 801 299 noti mwanza itatu ina na noti imwe ile kenda asante.
Nemo bianda kitali na ndi musese ni kwati wako kana watethekana no sisia kila ukwithiwa uiya wiki mwini waku nyini kwendea wima wako wa mwi ula wailite kuma ba kilunguni kitu cha Uiiti. Neta wa Faith Mackenzie wa Mutunga Tiwanesa.